In this makeup look, you don't need to be perfect in every details. This is the easiest way to do the Pennywise makeup look. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Pholeng. For today's video, I'll be doing this Pennywise makeup look. If you wanna know kung paano ko ito na-achieve, please keep on watching! Start with your clean face and well-hydrated skin. For my primer, I will use the Velvet Skin Primer Velvet Base from the Face Shop to protect my skin. First, I will cover my brows. Using the all-purpose glue stick, non-toxic and this spoolie. Put some glue in upward motion and use this spoolie to brush up your brows and do the same thing until your brows flat to your skin. I use my mini pan to dry my brows. I put some loose powder first to help the concealer stick on easily. For the concealer, use the shade close to your skin tone and do the same thing until your brows fully covered. Use a small setting brush to remove the excess powder. I'll get a sponge and spray it with face mist. For the base, I'll use lightest foundation shade that I have. Get a foundation or concealer brush to apply and blend with wet sponge. And also to my neck. I also use face paint to look more lighter. You can also mix your face paint with lightest foundation that you have. Doing the other side off cam to save time. Set my whole face with loose powder. For my brow, get a black eyeshadow to outline my brow. And get a black color face paint and apply it to finalize my brow. For the eye makeup, use a black eyeshadow and apply it all over to my eyelids. For more dramatic look, get a red eyeshadow and apply it as a transition color and do the same thing to lower lash line. To finalize this makeup look, use a black eyeliner and apply some falsies. Do the same thing to other side of my eye. Now, doing the Pennywise signature smile. First, use a black eyeshadow for outline. Then use the two red color face paint and mix it together to look like a blood. And also, use some black color face paint to give depth. Then use a dark lipstick for the lips. And use the excess product from eyeshadow brush for the nose line. Next is the nose makeup or the clown nose. Use the two red color face paint and mix it together. Also, apply some red color face paint to my lips to look more lighter. And apply the excess product to the nose. Lastly, get a fake blood that you have and apply it to look more creepy. Done guys, i-finalize ko lang itong look na to and out. Hope you like and enjoy this video. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye! See you on my next one!